Ostriches are well adapted to the dry, arid environments of the African savannas and deserts. Ostriches primarily inhabit open grasslands, savannas, and semi-desert areas across sub-Saharan Africa. They prefer areas where they have access to water, but can survive in regions with limited water sources for extended periods. Ostriches are social birds that live in groups called flocks. These flocks typically consist of a dominant male, cock, several females, hens, and their offspring. Sometimes, flocks can include up to 50 birds, though smaller groups are more common. Ostriches construct shallow nests in the ground, usually scraped out by the dominant female. These nests are simple depressions lined with soft materials like grass, leaves, and feathers. The nests are often located on elevated ground for better visibility and protection from flooding. Females in the flock lay their eggs, usually between 10 to 60 eggs per nest, laid over a period of several days, in this communal nest, and all females contribute to incubating the eggs. The dominant female usually takes the primary role in incubation during the day, while the dominant male takes over at night. Ostriches are omnivorous and primarily feed on a diet of plants, seeds, shrubs, grasses, fruit, and flowers. They also consume insects and small vertebrates like lizards when available. They use their strong beaks to peck at food and their gizzards to grind tough plant material with the help of swallowed stones. Ostriches are known for their long necks and legs, with males, cocks, reaching heights of up to 9 feet, 2.7 meters, and weighing between 220 to 350 pounds, 100 to 160 kilograms. Females, hens, are slightly smaller. Ostriches are well known for their speed and are capable of running at speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour, 43 miles per hour. This ability allows them to evade predators like lions, cheetahs, and hyenas. They have excellent eyesight and hearing, which helps them detect potential threats from afar. Ostriches are diurnal, active during the day, and spend much of their time foraging for food. During the hottest parts of the day, they may rest in the shade of trees or bushes to avoid the intense heat. They are also known to dust bathe, which helps them clean their feathers and remove parasites. Overall, ostriches have evolved a range of adaptations that allow them to thrive in the often harsh and unpredictable environments of the African savannas and deserts. Their social structure, nesting habits, and feeding behaviors are all geared towards maximizing their chances of survival in these challenging habitats.